Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir just 6 days ago, let me show you more thoroughly, on August 15th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $31.11, and my main assumption was that potentially we might have a trend reversal, because we have two signs of the potential trend reversal. One of them was bearish divergence, and the second one we almost hit or already hit the upper border of the channel that I drew previously, and that is why I didn't encourage you to enter any positions on Palantir, because it was extremely risky to make this bet, because it was pure gambling at this point. And I told you not to enter any positions at all until the market reveals itself. And take a look right here. We were at this point, and right after I made my previous video, we had a tiny movement to the upside that was of about 4% to the upside. And I have to say that we are hovering right now. We are hovering above the upper border of the channel, but I still have a lot of doubts about its potential trend continuation. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look again on its price action, and let's zoom out to a daily time frame. As you can see, we had a very good movement to the upside. Let me clear the chart. We had very good movement to the upside from basically for the entire year, from May, from the beginning of May of last year, and we broke this previous swing high, as you can see, that was established on September, end of September of 2021, and we broke it, and for now we are still moving higher. And in general, this is a quite good sign, but in just several minutes in my technical analysis, I will show you that it is not so obvious that the trend will continue from this very point. And let me show you what I'm talking about. First of all, guys, take a look on the forecast and price target of Palantir. The consensus analyst price target is $23.14, which is about 29% below our current price. And we don't have any new updates from the major analytic firms. The most recent one was made on August the 7th by Goldman Sachs Group. And as you can see, almost all of these price targets are below, drastically below our current price, except this one. Wedbush made their forecast and they set the price target at $35. This means, guys, we have to be quite cautious, at least in the short and medium-term perspective. On top of that, take a look right here. This is the list of institutional investors, and for now, all companies filed their 13F and NP reports, and we have the highest level ever of institutional ownership of Palantir Technologies, and this is a very good sign. On top of that, guys, take a look on the most recent activity. From the smart money investors. I have to say that we have more green rows than the red ones, and green rows indicate opened completely new positions, and red rows indicate closed positions. And we have, as you can see, closed put position, and it is, despite the color, it is a bull sign. And if you take a look, if you sort these companies by number of shares from the biggest one to smallest, you can see that the major investors in Palantir, like Vanguard and State Street Group, Geode Capital, they all increased their position in Palantir, and they hold $1.45 billion, $1.064 billion, and almost $800 million respectively. Susquehanna International reduced its position in Palantir, but other companies, other major investors, they increased their position in Palantir or opened completely new position. And guys, all these filings were made for the last quarter, for the Q2 of this year, and that is why you have to keep this in mind. On top of that, if you take a look on the news that is supporting the movement to the upside, we don't have any major news. I have to say that Palantir is moving higher and higher for the last couple of days or even a week or so because of their very strong earnings report, where they beat expectations on earnings by 11.8% and on revenue by 3.81%. But guys, this movement has to have a cool down, and I will show you what I'm talking about within just a couple of minutes. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's turn on all the tools, and I have to say that for now we have quite substantial movement to the upside. And by the way, we caught this retracement. I made a video before my previous video, and I told you that we have to see this cool down, and this will be a perfect opportunity to enter a long position, and we caught it to the tick. And for now, this asset is up by almost 47%. And for now, we have to see the cool down. Let me show you what I'm talking about. According to Elliott wave theory, potentially we might have this is our first wave, this is the retracement to the second one, this is the third wave, fourth, and potentially this might be the top of the fifth wave. And this pattern is nothing else but the diagonal leading first wave diagonal or ending fifth wave diagonal. Let me show you this in details. This is the ending diagonal, and we have the longest wave is the first one, then retracement to the second. Second long retracement is the third wave, then again retracement, and the shortest wave is the fifth one. And we have to see the breakout to the downside. Quite a similar pattern is the leading first wave diagonal. We have absolutely the same pattern, but it leads to the retracement to the second wave. And guys, to be honest, I have to say that despite the confusion in these two types of patterns, we still have more chances to see the retracement to the downside. And despite all the facts from the fundamental standpoint that Palantir has extremely strong numbers, extremely strong fundamentals, we have to see it from the technical standpoint. And where we might land. Guys, to be honest, I think we might have a movement to the downside that will land, let's say, from $28 to $26. And depending on the structure, depending on the volume during this movement, and depending on the reaction out of these ranges, I will do another update and I will show you where you can add to your long position and what should you do next. And you might wonder, do I encourage you to enter your short position right here? No, I don't, because I'm a long-term bull on Palantir, and I also think that shorting this stock is not the best choice right now, because it still has some chances to have a major breakout to the upside and to hit much higher targets. That is why, guys, please just stay aside at least for a couple of from couple of days to couple of weeks till the retracement happens, and then I will do an update and I will show you what should you do in order to re-enter your long position. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.